it is always my policy that we begin the discussion with the ladies first. And I was going through social media, I was talking to her. She has a fantastic concept, She by Kashi. So I would request Riddhi to tell us the fantastic story about She by Kashi, and whatever relevant anecdotes or whatever experience or idea she wants to share, please, Riddhi.
So, hello everyone. I'm Riddhi Kapoor Gala from Kashi Jewelers. It's a legacy brand of 70 years and which is deeply rooted in manufacturing, retail, as well as exports of fine jewelry. Now, as we all know, the jewelry traditionally has been known to be either very heavy, occasion specific, or just to be taken out for special events. Now, at Kashi, what we noticed that there was a consumer shift that we will see, and there was a gap in the market. And this is what led to two of our sub brands. I'll start with the first one, then I'll continue with the second. And both of them have very different philosophies. So the first one is She by Kashi. In here, we wanted to provide pieces that are very affordable, versatile, as well as easily fit your everyday lifestyles. So we wanted to give the women a everyday luxury in which they don't have to just wait for the big milestones and occasions in their lives, but they can just celebrate their small personal wins as well. Now, as we know, the gold prices have gone up and there's no dearth of alternatives available in the market now. Like we were just talking about platinum being used. And of course, there are different types of golds as well. There's plated gold, there's demi gold, and of course, the lab grown. So I know the consumer has a lot of options out there, but they're highly confused as to what to buy and what to invest their money in. And that's where the birth of She came in, where we wanted to provide this kind of product in which there's full transparency on the pricing and the designs are amazing. They're very wearable. Also, we provide, like we were just talking, gold jewelry, which is not just 18 and 14 karat, but we also have our counters of 9 karat jewelry, which is very well accepted and extremely affordable. So you can just buy it for yourself as well. And it's great for gifting because it comes under a certain price point. In fact, we have pieces there which start from 7,000 rupees. And nowadays, it's very hard to find stuff in that price range. So it works really well. And of course, we are still studying it in natural diamonds, which we strongly stand for. And we believe that this way, the consumer knows exactly what they're putting their money in.